What's going on, investors and traders? Welcome back to the channel. It's Sunday. It's early. It's the 11th of February. We're taking a look at Arcblock slash the USDT Tether daily chart. Gate.io is the chart we're going to use here. We'll drop into Bitcoin at the end of this video. Guys, Arcblock is in a pennant pattern, forming a pennant pattern currently. Now, I don't personally really look for patterns and trade the breakouts, etc. And this is not a perfect pennant pattern by any means. But I saw it, so I figured let's talk about it for those who are, maybe interested in this. So it's a continuation pattern, which would tell us and be a good thing for the bulls that a continuation to the upside here, the upside momentum is very possible. There's no guarantees, but it is possible that we see a continuation of this trend, a breakout higher in price. We're getting close to the apex here of this pattern. Basically another 2 days or so. So like Tuesday the 13th would pretty much put us outside the pattern. But we could experience a breakout at any point. It could be today. It could be, tomorrow, the 12th, Monday. We just don't know. And keep in mind that there is a chance that the pattern fails and we break lower. Keep that in mind as well. Keep that in mind as well. We are experiencing right now a break higher in Bitcoin. So I think that is going to help the Arcblock chart move to the upside. Like I said, we'll touch base on that in just a moment. I still have these same targets here for Arcblock at $1.63.8, 198.4, 253. 668. So those are still my upper targets and or resistance levels if this market starts to move to the upside. I will continue to add more upper targets as this market, if this market does move higher. But for now, guys, that is it. Yeah, 2 days ago, or maybe even yesterday, we talked about a potential lower high setting up, and I believe the candle we used was the 9th, and that is still possible. But since we've been consolidating, we're starting to form this pennant pattern, which is actually telling us there's a chance that this is a slight pause and a bigger move to come to the upside. So we're keeping that in mind. We're also still keeping in mind that the lower high is still in. We have the higher low, lower high, and we talked about a scenario that looks like that, a change in trend back to the downside. So that's pretty much what I have here for this chart. Nothing too crazy. Just potentially setting up here to break out in the next 2 days back to the upside if this bullish pattern does play out. $253, $98, 163. Guys, over to Bitcoin. Up $600. So Bitcoin found a little bit of resistance at the 47,431. It was just for a day. You can see we reversed through it, and then we finally got above it yesterday, and today we are definitely above it. So it's it's looking good. It's very bullish, and it should help the rest of the market, including Arcblock. So looking for a Bitcoin move up to the roughly like mid 50,000s right now. I don't have anything on the chart, but I could tell you just about the mid 50,000s should be an easy touch here once we start to really move, take out this area here, which would be 49,102.29. So we can get above 49,102.29 and hold. Mid 50,000s should be a breeze, and it should help Arcblock and the rest of the market. Guys, have a great Sunday. Enjoy football. If you watch that, I'll catch you in the next one.